18 divided by 32 parenthesis 1 plus 1. Try to solve this simple math and comment your answer to this feature in the shortcut list. I will solve for them who don't want to solve or for those who want to check their answers. Okay. So any solve like this: 18 divided by 32 times 1 plus 1 is 52, and 18 divided by 32 times 2, which is 64, and they will get answer 18 divided by 64 like this. Do you think this is the right way? Actually, this is not the right way. Actually, this can also be simplified like 2 times 9 plus 2. Do you think this is the right way? This is not the right way. I will show you how to solve this with pen that. Actually, they are falling in a trap that according to PEMDAS, first multiplication come, so they will operate this multiplication. But actually, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case, we have to put left to right. So we will rewrite here with this, so they will understand better. Step by step, 32, 1 plus 1. According to PEMDAS, first we have to operate this parenthesis part, which equals to 1 plus 1, which equals to 2. So we can simply write 2 in the place of this parenthesis. We will be right 18 divided by 32 times 2. Now we have to operate from left to right, and from left we have to operate this division. 18 divided by 32. So we can simply write 18 divided by 32 like this, and times 2. We can simply write like that. Okay. Now we will simplify that 2 times 1. That is 16, but we can say 18 divided by 16, and 2 times 9, so 8. Our right answer is 9 by 8. And the question is, and must ship out the sum you can find in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.